To get rid of RedEye in a photo, the first thing you want to do is Control J on your first layer to duplicate it, because any edits that you do are going to be destructive. So you want to leave layer 0 alone. Then I'm going to do Control plus to zoom in on my RedEye situation. So in this case, on my mom, I'm going to go to, it's about the 8th tool down, click and hold, and choose RedEye tool. And then it's just a matter of clicking inside of the pupil that is red. So moving over to my dad, same thing. And then if you think you would need to come back to this photo, you can always save it as a Photoshop file. If you think you're done, click Save As. Name it last name underscore first name underscore RedEye. Go ahead and save it as a JPEG. Click Save, and you'll turn it in. Oh, and click OK, and you'll turn it in.